To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create realistic portraits in Leonardo AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create realistic portraits in Leonardo AI, then you need to simply go to Leonardo. Once you are in your Leonardo AI, you need to use the flow state feature or photoreal mode with detailed prompts. You need to select realistic vibes like stock photos, cinematic, and camera settings like short type, lightning for high fidelity. You can also choose models like portrait perfect or absolute reality and utilize features like character references for consistent faces. For best results, you need to focus on lighting, depth of field, and specific camera details in your prompt as well. So after following all these steps and process, you can create realistic portraits in your Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.